Hello everyone. In this video, we will understand the fundamentals of deep learning and how it powers modern computer vision systems. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses artificial neural networks with multiple hidden layers to automatically learn patterns from data. Unlike traditional machine learning where we manually design features, deep learning automatically learns features directly from raw data such as images, audio, or text. The term deep refers to the presence of many hidden layers that progressively extract higher-level features. In computer vision, deep learning allows computers to understand images similar to humans. For example, early layers detect edges and textures, middle layers detect shapes and patterns, final layers recognize objects like cars, faces, or animals. This hierarchical learning makes deep learning extremely powerful for vision tasks. The most important deep learning model for computer vision is the Convolutional Neural Network, or CNN. CNNs use convolution operations to preserve spatial information in images. They are highly efficient and are widely used in image classification, object detection, face recognition, medical image analysis. Modern architectures include ResNet, EfficientNet, vision transformers, and hybrid CNN transformer models. Deep learning became highly successful due to three major factors: availability of large datasets, powerful GPUs, and parallel computing, advanced optimization algorithms like ATOM, and improved activation functions. To summarize, deep learning automatically learns hierarchical features from data. It eliminates manual feature engineering, and it forms the backbone of modern computer vision systems. In the next video, we will explore CNN architecture in detail. Thank you for watching.